for seasons, for ways to maximize your wardrobe. Don't click off now. Today we're going through 20 different tips to maximize your wardrobe and keep yourself looking like a certified baddie all year long. These tips are designed to help you maximize your wardrobe and keep your style fresh all year round. Whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, I've got you covered with practical and fun hacks that you'll love. Let's dive right in. First up, spring. The weather can be unpredictable, so layering is key. Tip 1. Layering basics. Start with lightweight pieces and build up. A simple cardigan over a tank top can keep you warm without overheating. Tip 2. Accessorize with scarves. Scarves are versatile and add a pop of color. Try different ways of tying them for a new look each time. Tip 3. Revamp old tees. Now, we're not going to give you an example here, but you can give your old t-shirts new life by cutting and tying them into trendy tops. It's easy and eco-friendly. Tip 4. Add florals. Spring is the perfect time to embrace floral prints. Incorporate them into your outfits for a fresh, seasonal look, like these dresses from a simple retro. Next, let's get ready for summer. Staying cool is the goal. Tip 1. Maximize dresses. Summer dresses are your best friend. Dress them up or down with accessories and different shoes. Tip 2. DIY cutoffs. Turn your old jeans into stylish cutoff shorts. It's a great way to recycle and stay cool.
All right, we're off to the beach. This is probably my favorite time to go to the beach, right around 6 p.m. This is like one outfit that I absolutely take with me anywhere when I'm going to the beach. And that is these jean shorts. This is from a Goldie and I've had them for years. I love it so much. Hermes sandals, which are really worn out, but you know, Hermes sandals, they wear out pretty nicely. This striped blue and white shirt I've had for a few months and I love it. This one, the construction is really good. I also love like right around the midsection, they have multiple buttons here. You can see there's like 3 or 4. So it provides a nice like secure close so it doesn't like gap out. And then this waffle white sweater I got last year from Another Tomorrow, which I love. It's super cute. I actually got something similar for Paul. They have one for men and Oliver Brown, and it's really, really great for the summer.
Tip 3. Beach to street. Transition your beachwear to streetwear. Throw on a cute cover-up and you're ready for a casual day out. Tip 4. Sunglasses style. Sunglasses are a summer staple. Choose styles that complement your face shape and outfit. Tip 5. Cool fabrics. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton and linen to stay cool in the heat. Fall is all about layering and warmth. Let's make those transitions seamless. Tip 1. Transition pieces. Transition your summer clothes into fall by layering. A summer dress can work with a cozy cardigan and boots. We don't have an example to show you, but here's the next tip. Tip 2. Boot game. Boots are a fall essential. Ankle boots, knee highs, or combat boots can change up any look. Tip 3. Layer with cardigans. Cardigans are perfect for layering. They add warmth and style without too much bulk. Tip 4. Scarf styling. Get creative with your scarves. Try different knots and drapes to keep things interesting. Watch this 30-second clip by Adornally's patent to see how it's really done. Tip 5. Color coordination. Mix and match fall colors like burnt orange, mustard, and deep red among others for a cohesive look. Finally, let's tackle winter fashion. Staying warm without sacrificing style is key. Tip 1. Cozy layers. Layering is essential. Start with thermals, add sweaters, and top with a sheet coat. Watch this 30-second clip by YUMMK Cake to see how it's properly done. Tip 2. Statement coats. Invest in a statement coat. It can elevate any outfit and keep you warm. Tip 3. Warm accessories. Don't forget your accessories. Hats, gloves, and scarves not only add warmth, but also style. Tip 4. Boot socks. Boot socks are both functional and stylish. They add an extra layer of warmth and look great with boots. Check out this throwback outfit by its Fancy Pants 707. Tip 5. Festive Looks. Get into the holiday spirit with Festive Looks. Think sequins, sparkles, and holiday colors. And there you have it, 20 fashion hacks to transform your wardrobe for every season. I hope these tips help you stay stylish all year round. Which hack are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.